What is up, long distance hikers and long-term travellers? Russell Hepton here. Welcome back to The Trail Hunter, and in today's video I'm going to be going over a very wonderful email that I received back from Hyperlite Mountain Gear regarding my HMG 2400 Windrider backpack review, which I uploaded yesterday. They got back to me with some very great advice and offered me a few things, so let's go. For those of you who are new to my channel, I believe that the best way to explore the world is on foot. I'm offering you hiking video guides, gear reviews, gear lists, travel tips, hiking tips, and much more. So if you're new here, do consider hitting that subscribe button below. Okay, so yesterday I uploaded my Hyperlite Mountain Gear 2400 Windrider backpack review, and Hyperlite Mountain Gear themselves actually emailed me with a response, giving me some fantastic advice, some awesome tips, and offering me a free repair on the issue that I had with the top strap on the backpack. This backpack is my favourite backpack to date, and in the review there were a few negative points, so Hyperlite Mountain Gear kindly touched upon those as well. I have to give it to those guys, they do a fantastic job, their products are all really great, but obviously I wanted to give a very good, honest review for my YouTube community. So thank you very much Hyperlite Mountain Gear for getting back to me. It was very brilliant and very quick response. I still absolutely love my backpack and I will keep using it into the future. So what I thought would be a very good idea to say thank you is to read out the email that they sent to me and show you guys exactly what they offered. Hi Russ, thanks for taking the time to get back to us and sharing your review. We love to see where our customers take our gear, and per the video it looks like you've seen some grand views. We also appreciate feedback because this helps us develop future models and tweak pre-existing designs to improve the overall functionality and comfort range of our gear. With the issue you are having with the strapping on the top of the pack, I would like to have my repair team take a closer look as to what has happened with the seam construction. You should not be seeing any seam separation or fraying from the body of the pack. With that being said, we will always offer a free repair service to get your pack back to full working condition. I would also like to note that with some of the other clips in your video that depicted the seam stretching, Dyneema is a very stiff material and will not provide a lot of flexibility to the body of your pack. With a number of the compression strap seams, you may notice a little stretch to the threading, but that does not mean that it is going to tear away. This will make your situation a very rare occurrence and we will be happy to take care of it for you. As for the performance of Dyneema in sub-zero temperatures, you should never run into a problem. We've had our packs on the backs of expeditions, heading up the highest peaks on Earth to the most inclement environments one could imagine. So whether it be a subarctic condition or to 8,000 plus meter peaks, you should still have a high performing material. If you would like to send your pack in for a repair or inspection, please feel free to do so. This repair process will take roughly 2 weeks to complete and ship back to you. If you have any other questions with this return process, feel free to reach out to us at any time. Okay, so there you have it. I just want to say thank you very much Hyperlite Mountain Gear for offering me a free repair. Obviously I am here in the UK, so shipping it over to you for a repair and then getting it all the way back here will turn out to be a very expensive process. However, I am about to hike the PCT starting on May the 1st, so I'll be in the US in April, so I might send it a bit closer to that date so I can then get it shipped to San Diego. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. I just thought I'd put that out there. If you found this video at all useful, then hit that thumbs up. I'm also going to be uploading videos quite similar to this about 2 or 3 or 4 times a week at the moment, so if you are new here and you're liking my videos, then do consider hitting that subscribe button. One last thing, do be absolutely sure to check out these 2 videos on my side here. One is an in-depth look at the HMG 2400 Windrider backpack, and the other one is the review that I uploaded yesterday that we were talking about in this video. Thanks for watching.